Well, no. N-O, no. I was saying the guy is not picking up. इसे ना रिलाई करना ही पड़ता है किसी ना किसी पे. मैं खाना तो बना लिया बट मेरा बनाते हुए ही पेट भर गया. And this is gonna go live. Not feeling that dressy. It's my core day. We need it desperately. This is how it looks. Chokha is really tasty and
He's late.
but I underestimate myself a lot. Spend fortune on the let's manifest for each other serum before the bedtime. This is not an act. This is me. This is the personality. Yellow. So today is 30th of July. पता नहीं ये वीडियो कब लाइव जाएगी but here I am vlogging. Just got done with my lunch prep. House chores, they were pending for such a while, like doing the dishes, cleaning and all that. So yeah, that is that. And also I'm gonna fire my garbage guy. He's not picking up the garbage and that guy is like क्या ही मैं बोलूँ, some stuff are really, disorganized that कि तुम्हें ऐसे ना rely करना ही पड़ता है किसी ना किसी पे. I got super annoyed that where I live वहाँ पे एक होता है ना पास में dump हो, that to a proper dump, not like road पे dump वाला, like dustbins and all, so that people can take out their garbage by themselves and फिर वो जाके ऐसे फेंक दे, like नीचे ही हो, even like 100 meters or 200 meters is fine, right? But यहाँ पे नहीं है, it's very far away. So yeah, as I was saying, the guy is not picking up the कूड़ा, so I have made up my mind कि अब मैं खुद ही जाके जितना भी दूर है खुद जाके अब मैं फेंक दूंगी, because it's of no worth, right? I'm paying and I understand कि emergencies and all होती है, but you're slacking off a lot. Like एक महीने में अगर तुम 20 दिन slack ही कर रहे हो, then why would I keep you, right? I have to always call and be like कि भैया आ जाओ यार, क्यों ऐसे कर रहे हो? I told him to come like alternate days. Yeah, so there's no segregation of कूड़ा, right? I used to give कूड़ा पूरा segregate करके प्लास्टिक का प्लास्टिक में, कार्डबोर्ड का कार्डबोर्ड में. These guys they mix up everything, तो क्या ही फायदा, उनकी भी कोई गलती नहीं है. अगर ये शुरू से ही नहीं होते आ रहा है तो फिर हाउ कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट अदर्स टू डू इट. आई डोंट नो कैसे करते हैं बट इट वुड बी मच बेटर अगर कॉलोनी के भी जो बिन्स होते हैं, डम्पस्टर्स होते हैं, उसमें भी सेग्रीगेटेड हो एंड पीपल हैव दैट मच ऑफ खुद से भी एक विलिंगनेस एंड सिविक सेंस कि हाँ भाई सेग्रीगेट करके दो, बिकॉज at the end of the day we are doing good to ourselves only, right? These will help us only, और किसी को ये हेल्प नहीं करेगा, हम ही को ये हेल्प करेगा. कूड़ा इतना गंदा क्यों स्मेल करता है? बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज मिक्सड अप इन वन. सो या, एंड कितनी चीजें लाइक रिसाइकिल हो सकती है बट वो गीले कूड़े के साथ है, क्या क्या नहीं है. फिर I'm so sorry I'm talking so much about kooda, but I'm pretty stressed about this stuff. So anyways, I was making my khana, everything is done. I did the dishes. I have to do the dishes again because खाना बनाया है and मैंने full Indian खाना बनाया, एकदम पूरा बिहारी स्टाइल. चोखा and फिर rice with quinoa, because I don't just eat rice, I like my rice with quinoa. So quinoa ज़्यादा होता है, rice कम होता है. So in that way fiber and protein तो थोड़ा कुछ ना कुछ तो जा रहा है. And today is Thursday, so I can't really eat non-veg and ऊपर से सावन है, so I miss the time when I used to, wake up and make breakfast and was so pumped up for the life. So, yes, that is it. But I'm trying to better my sleep schedule. So, मैं इतना खाना बना के थक गई कि मेरे को कॉफी बनाना पड़ा. I can't without coffee. I really can't. To upload a YouTube video around 5ish, so I still have like an hour. So I'll do that. Then I'll head to the gym. I'll get ready. So yep. Anyways, I'm quick. Fuck. I got a message. Shush. Yeah. So I'm quickly gonna go. मैं खाना तो बना लिया बट मेरा बनाते हुए ही पेट भर गया. मन ही नहीं कर रहा खाने का. Video is almost complete. Upload is बाकी 10 minutes. And this is gonna I'm adding any description. Should I add description? Tell me. Okay, bye.
And that's a very unpopular opinion. Doing some gift guides for like the holiday season, and not as I feel like just so I'm actually really, it's my little spiel for now. You guys are along for the rest. Show up every single week.
Shush. Think मैंने इस टी-शर्ट को बहुत बार दिखा चुका है, but it's okay. It is what it is. Today's gym fit is some tights and a cute top. Really not feeling that dressy. Also, I was planning on skipping today. थोड़ा सा ऐसे दिमाग में आया, फिर मैंने बोला no, and oh no, we're not doing that. The weather is bit, I would say, moody. बारिश हो भी सकती, नहीं भी हो सकती. Anyways, this is how I look. Maybe should I have one more coffee? Maybe. But this mirror, this thing from Zepto, Millions app का ये advertisement है, but it's actually very cute. And इसके साथ I got some stickers and a lot of goodies like a PR. Yeah. So hot भाई, मैं निकलती हूँ मेरे को इतना गर्मी लगने लगता है. I don't like summers. I hate summer. I hate Delhi summer. Actually, I hate summer everywhere. मैं ज़्यादा जगह गई नहीं हूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा रैंक कर नहीं सकती हूँ. But oh my gosh, summers in India not good. Quickly gonna finish this coffee and I'm gonna head out. Bye bye. Have too much coffee. Perfecto. This is the. Let's walk out.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grab my shades and hit the streets.
Back from the gym. Gosh, I'm sweating इतना ज़्यादा. It's my core day and I did exactly the same routine जिसका मैंने video upload करा. Here's the link, or maybe you'll get the link at the end of the video. So check that out. Core करो यार. Strong होना चाहिए इंसान का core, right? So that whenever you get punched in your gut, you'll get up. I don't know what I'm saying. Brain is not braining. Oh gosh. I'm gonna go take a shower jaldi se, and then I'll have dinner, and फिर उसके बाद I'll do work and I'll show you guys my dinner. I did not had my lunch. मैं ऐसे ही चली गई थी 2 बार कॉफी पी के, and God, that was not a really good decision because मेरे को palpitations होने लगे थे. Yeah, too much caffeine हो गया था. Anyways, see you guys in a bit. Okay, bye. Dinner is ready. Y'all, wait, let me show you. Oh shit, मैंने तो Diet Coke लिया नहीं. Wait, Diet Coke. Okay. Oh my gosh, where is the straw? मेरा दिमाग को कुछ हो गया. Got the straw. चोखा, quinoa rice and green chutney, धनिया की चटनी. This is my खाना. Not a very bougie खाना. I think I have to buy that app जिसमें वो dual recording वाला होता है. I desperately need it. Desperately. This is how it looks. चोखा is really tasty and chutney is also very tasty. मैं अपने धनिया की चटनी में थोड़ा सा टमाटर डालती because I like the tanginess.
Now, the guy, the five coming up. Yeah. Sorry. Oh my gosh.
पहले मैं ये बनाते बनाते थक गई थी. Peeling the आलू and all. But this is yum. थोड़ा सा चटनी. I'm gonna wash my face and I brush my teeth. I have so much to say, but मैं जब बात करने बैठती हूँ in front of camera में ऐसे बोला नहीं जाता. So what's the point? Like you explain the real. Opinion आपको. You know, one of the main reasons for that is that maybe some way or the other I'm still थोड़ा सा scared to be misunderstood. One of my icks are people who don't script their tongues. Like, how do you even live with yourself, bro? That's so disgusting. Ugh. I want my tongue to be script. Like, मेरे को पूरे एकदम red दिखना चाहिए. Like in that too. Yeah, so as I was saying, what's the use, right? I just internally process everything. I process everything alone. I, मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा self-reliant types हो गई हूँ. So yeah. I mean, I do want to speak up, like, because मेरे पास सिर्फ बकवासें नहीं है. I'm kind of wise also. Whenever I think of speaking about my experiences and stuff, I just feel like, ugh. these are like irrelevant. I underestimate myself a lot. I don't like that about myself, you know? Like speaking up to the camera as a raw is still kind of intimidating for me because you know मेरे दिमाग में सोचता है यार अगर मैंने कुछ ये बोल दिया misinterpret लोग कर लेंगे. Growing up, I think I have been misunderstood so much that I rather keep quiet and let people assume whatever the fuck they want to assume, you know. So yeah, but I'm working on it. बस बोलोगे नहीं तो होगा कैसे? So cringe सा. But it's okay. If you're not cringe, I'm gonna show you all my nighttime skincare routine. Skincare मांगा तो था, but I don't know तुम लोगों ने night care मांगा था कि normal care मांगा था. But guess what? दोनों का same है मेरा. My skin is very sensitive, okay? Very sensitive. So मेरा 2024 में I had like huge flare up of adult acne and it was so horrible, guys. My confidence was इतना नीचे. I didn't even want to step out of house or anything. I used to cover it with concealer and all, but मेरे को अच्छा ही नहीं लगता था यार. इतना मैं रोती भी थी because पूरा भरा हुआ था and I never had acne in my teenage years. Okay, so consulted dermat and luckily it got better after the medication and whatever the products they prescribed me. So yeah, and medication really did help. People say that I have really clean skin and all whenever they watch my videos. It has not always been like that, you know. जैसे अभी भी it's not clear. See, यहाँ पे redness है, यहाँ पे ये new pimple, यहाँ पे भी like look at it. It's not like spotless. Okay, so don't believe whatever you see on internet. ठीक है, half of the things are very filtered out. Okay, so don't do that comparison. किसी का भी I don't know about others, but मेरा तो कोई भी उतना एकदम flawless type तो नहीं है. If you see, I have like huge pores here. So yeah, it's not flawless, but it's better than what it used to be. So I'm glad about that. And one thing I would suggest is that the diet is really important. But if you're still getting those acnes now, even after the diet, then please consult a good dermat. ठीक है, one time investment होता है. Once you get a good dermat, they'll tell you, they'll guide you what is good for your skin. So before going to the dermat, I tried everything, घर का remedy, YouTube and what not, bro. I tried everything. I spent fortune on the skincare and all that. It was of no use. Okay, so it's better to get professional help. They are professional for a reason. I know thode dermats are expensive, but it's like one-time investment and you'll get to know your skin better. So you are doing yourself a favor. ठीक है, it's only good for yourself, so do it. उसके वजह से whatever the products that I use are non-comedogenic. I hope I'm pronouncing that right because I always mess up the pronunciation of that one. I try to use minimal product. My skin cannot handle experimentation. Itna zyada serums and all. Also, I only use the ones which my dermat prescribes. So those were my 2 cents on skin का care. I hope I get a camera real soon, जिसको मैं अच्छे से हर जगह लगा दूँ. Let's manifest, guys. Please manifest for me and I'm gonna manifest for you. Let's manifest for each other that we get what we wanna get or whatever we are working towards. ठीक है, मेरे लिस्ट में तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. उसमें से एक तो a very good camera, good. So these are the 2 products which I use. Okay, this one and this serum before the bedtime. Very easy, very peasy skincare. Ooh, I look refreshed. I don't want my lips to be chapped, so I'm gonna apply a lip balm and I have to find it, bro. My bag mein hoga. For the lip balm, I don't have one specific lip balm. मेरे हर bag में different lip balms है. अभी मेरे को बस ये मिला, so I'm gonna use this one. This is from Himalaya. Does the job. Yeah. I don't have Lineage and stuff. I don't have Rhode and stuff. I would like to have Rhode. Doesn't make sense to me spending like 3K-ish on a lip balm. Doesn't make sense to me because I don't have money to invest on that. But yeah, don't you all forget to stay. Also in the coming vlogs, I'm gonna show you guys what I eat. ठीक है, मेरा खाना is very minimal but tasty. Okay, as I said, I was gonna work, so lately I've been trying myself to get into reading. So this is the book which I haven't touched in like जब से मैंने इसे खरीदा तब से मैंने इसको खरीदा है कब खरीदा है ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना हो ही गया होगा सो या उससे पहले I'm gonna do some work but उससे भी पहले I would like to dance you know whenever I'm like bit foggy in my head थोड़ा सा on a few I dance. And I have been obsessed with this song. This is a Punjabi song. It is a love. Fuck. What the fuck was that? It is a love song. Like the girl is singing it for uska hone wala husband ke liye. I don't relate it to in any way. Show me how you play for now. A pepper in the city. Pepper in the city. Okay, baby. Give. How to say it? This is not an act. This is me. This is the personality. Okay, so that was it for the day in my life video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this one was a bit messier and I'll try to be better next time and be on time next time, because those who follow me on my Instagram, they know that this video was supposed to go live almost a week before, but it didn't because of some kalesh happen in my life. And if you want to know life ka thoda kind of pal ka khabar, then follow me on my Instagram. I'm pretty active there. So let me know your thoughts on this video and what else you guys want to see in the future, like on YouTube. So yep, I'll create or incorporate those suggestions in my videos some way or the other. Also, thank you so much for whoever is watching this video. It means a lot, and I just feel like, you know, I can really talk here and just be fully myself on YouTube. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.